Hi, thanks for joining me again. This is the S&P ASX 200 Index Daily Update for Friday the 1st of July 2022, the start of the new financial year. Now, as you can see, the market's now trending lower. We've had a couple of price breakdowns already. So the market's trading under a negative influence, which is effectively a sell the rallies sentiment. Now today, price closed lower by 28.2 points after trading slightly higher for most of the day. You can see where price closed at a logical level yesterday, and once again prices closed at a fairly logical level today. If I go back, you'll see that's effectively where price broke out from after consolidating across here, and price broke out here, and that's where the market has closed today. There's the old lows of the range. Now these are going to be more important lows to watch in the future. There was another sharp sell-off towards the end of the day today. I'm always a little suspicious of the trading in and around the end of financial year. Sometimes it's genuine and legit, and sometimes it's a little bit suspicious. So I prefer, unless something serious happens, just to sit back, not jump to any conclusions, and just see what happens in the subsequent week or so after the end of financial year. Spread reduced considerably today. The close was once again at the low of the day. Yesterday price closed at the day's low, and today price closed at the day's low. That in itself can sometimes be suspicious, especially when it's on very high volume. But today volume was very low and was confirmed by the turnover. The turnover was only equal, not lower, on the 2nd of the 5th. That's how long it's been since turnover has been that low. This suggests that selling pressure was low, but demand was even lower today. Thanks to Roger, who let me know that there's no trading on Monday night for Independence Day in the US. So this offers another day on Monday where there's no overnight lead for the market to worry about, and sometimes you'll see some trading take place that is questionable when that occurs, when there's no overnight lead coming up. The raw price action today suggests that the trading took the form of temporary support in a downtrend. We are trending lower overall, and when the market traded higher during the day, that was the temporary support coming in, but in the downtrend and with a negative influence in place, a sell the rallies kind of sentiment, price closed lower in the end, and I'll call that temporary support in a downtrend. And the 2-bar combination that we saw today and yesterday suggests that's taken place. It is, however, the raw price action during the end of financial year, so I just take that with a little grain of salt and just wait and see what happens next week. The most recent lows now become quite important. That's this low here at 6,400. If there was a clear break and close below this level, I'd have to come sit up and take notice. But barring that, barring a serious price breakdown, I'll just wait and see how trading takes place for most of next week before I jump to any conclusions about what's going to actually happen in the market. That doesn't mean you don't trade. That just means don't jump to any conclusions yet. And if you need to move in the market, you do so. But chart reading and trading are two separate skills and should be treated as such. And chart reading wise, probably best if you get the opportunity to wait and see what happens next week before you jump to any conclusions on what the market's doing and where it's moving to. Okay, that's it for today. I'll probably do the ASX market weekly charts live a little bit later tonight. Thanks for your time. See ya.